road in a virgin. Cause you know how you live something this, you can't come spoil hands here. Yeah, like the last one, they I tell you. Yes, people, back at it again. It's all about Yellow Big Poultry Farm right now. We do all kind of farming except in farming, virgin. Yeah, that be a table road here. Yeah, remember say, we deal with the chicken them, you know.
Hello Yellow Beaks, what's up? How's the day going today? No man wanna do good. So here what I wanna know. I want a special feeding pan. So see that this is one bag of feeding. I'm gonna cut it right now and I'm gonna see how much the feeding pan holds. So let's go. Right. One special feeding pan I'm gonna show you. So you really wanna see how much feeding you have to throw in it. Alright. Let's try too much feeding of the train I do fully. More than half that. Shake it on now. Look at this guy. Okay, see what left? See? So we can just throw this now in a small pan and one bag of feeding done. Just like that. So this is a special pan. All more than half bag of feeding as you guys can see. And I have my the automatic water pan. I don't have to refill them, but like every 2 days now I clean them up. So this is, you can see, is a fresh load of sawdust coming here. More feeding pan, more water pan going to be here. Two more water pan. One going to be up that side here. One going to be down here, and the feeding pan going to be right here where I'm at. So Yellow Beak is a lovely look right now. Yeah man. So yeah guys, so time to clean up the water pan. So this is my bleach and this is my fab. These are my pans. These are fresh waters. So what me do now, I tip some bleach in this pan here. I have a pan here, bleach water and fab and wash all of them. And then me give them fresh water. So that's what I keep on doing, like every morning. Sometimes one morning miss, but the next morning can't pass. So you have to keep the pan them clean. So once you keep the pan them clean, you will have clean chicken and you'll have fine so them not sick and not deady. So me not really lose much chicken. So me try to keep the pans them clean, the fork clean, everything clean. So yeah guys, so I'm gonna wash them pan here and I'm gonna show you a result of them clean when you finish. See them there? Them dirty right now. Alright. Yeah guys, so this is my bleach water, bleach and fab. Sometimes in them part are kinda look a bit slimy, so you have to keep washing the pans them. Make sure so all of them slime will come out. And you have fresh water. So all who know raise chicken know that say the water kinda have a little stale thing. So this crisps here now, clean. Now through this I go up on the ground, you leave it dirty. You wash it as well, make the whole pan look clean and brand new again. So I just rest it aside and move on to our next pan and get everything clean and fresh, right? So you guys, so just like and subscribe if you like what I do. Because I'm telling you the truth, it's very far I'm coming from once you know I watch Smith Best Build Construction from the structure going up till now. I have chickens, I have water feedings and everything. I want to keep through the channel and keep watching because I soon kill chicken and I'll see how I prepare the chicken them to send them to the shops and jerk people who jerk as well and all them something there. So I just keep watching video, like, subscribe and leave the honest comment, you know say that's the golden rule, the honest one, don't. So alright guys, so I'm gonna going back a preview a video when me I fill them up with water or me lock them and set up them. Okay? Alright. So, alright guys, the pond them finish wash. So I'm gonna load them up with some water and then medicine and give them. So as I said, the pipe is right there, the cube is right there, and the tank is right there. Everything is close by. I mean, I have to go far if not at all. Well comfortable, easy morning work. Actually 1 hour, I take and clean up the pond them and let me go inside. Come, let me go inside. So I have a special rake that I do use and rake up the sawdust like this. Keep so you have to rake it up, turn it, and level it off back. So that's what I do every morning. I ain't not take me long. But through me I change them right now. So that's it. So I take out all the water ponds, the feeding pond. That one gonna be out as well. Even this nursery. All of these chicken going to come out as well, and them are gonna go over the new era where we provide for them. So nursery now, other small chicken now will come in this side, and them will come very soon, very soon. So nursery gonna come down here, and nursery gonna come up here. So these one going to be removed, and them will come right over the side. Let me go over there as well. So over here, so all of the chicken them will come down from the nursery. I kind of line up some my water pan them for them already. So the pan them I'm wash now, them I go up on the blocks. That one there, this one as well, and that one as well. And then we watch them if they want no more. Maybe we'll add one next one right here. Cause I want some sawdust I got throw right here. The bag of sawdust, see they by that side. So I'm gonna show you a view of the whole of the cube now. See? So these are the ones that are going to be killed anytime soon. And this is another set of nursery up here, so with some nice pan, all of them pan there. Them make them 3 pan and things. So this side as well is the same thing. These are the smaller nursery, them the pan them there and all of them something there. So yeah. Yeah man. Yep. You know the thing go? Step up on that. Me should be in or you want to go in? You can go in. Alright. What's that? Virgin, what are you doing here? So, I'm going to transport the chicken them to a different location, which is the same place in the Polco. But I put them in a more bigger space because they grow past the nursery size now. So what we do now, once they grow past the nursery side, we put them in a bigger space so them can get more space to breed, and you can see them get fat. Yeah, very fat. I put them already, I put them in. I put them already, I put them in. Put in 2 more. I count them. 2, 4, 6, 8. Come on, that's right. Yeah. One flower over 12 flowers, some more. Exactly.
What was the plate?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this one is 12. Okay, over them 12 flowers. Okay. Let them go and let them serve. Yeah. Fresh place for now. You know, come on. Alright, so them are gonna run up and down. Fresh environment, clean sawdust, clean water, clean medicine, everything for them. So I done that right now. Count all of the chickens then. That's 36.
Okay, I know someone did it up here.
So alright guys, so this is the end of the video. We take the time and put them in, and everybody set clean and I dig up sawdust and I run up and down. So now we have a little cleaning to do, like outside, clean up them place because we not clean up around the cub. So you know no mangoes now come close to the cube and them something less, so we have to keep the cube clean. So the pan them automatical pans, them I drink them water there. Yeah, so I have 4 more to put in this. Sorry, 2 more because a 4 come. What? Them I run up and down. Because a 4 come inside here, so mine sharp 5. Make sure so them always have water, and 2 more of those pan. So this one gonna change and that one gonna change as well. So once you like the video, please subscribe, share and like, and always remember to leave an honest comment.